Este programa es irreal y grosero con pobres actuaciones, y debido a su contenido, nadie lo debe ver.
I follow him. I've seen his videos and I know exactly what he does on these dates. I'm not going to fall for that. Also, he shaved his mustache. He was more attractive before.
Actually, I've been here before. Didn't go great.
I know.
This one feels different. I seriously suspect she knows what she's doing. Why are you sitting like this?
It's more comfortable.
What? I don't know if I'm in a date or in a part of some crazy animal documentary. What are you doing?
Hunting.
Are you not really thinking of... What's wrong? Why are you touching me like this?
You're a bit tense.
I mean, being fair, you're kind of intense. Have you just smelled me?
Yes. He thinks this is a game. It's not. I don't like this job. Ladyboys make you choose carefully.
Tours?
Yes. I do it because it pays well. But the night tours, the bars, the girls, it's not what you think.
What do you mean?
It's a system. People come here looking for something and they don't care what's behind it.
Yeah, but they choose it, right?
Do they? Or do people like you come here and turn it into content?
I seriously think she's talking about me. I don't love that.
They all want something, but they don't see anything.
Okay, I think we need time for relax a little.
Okay.
This is nice.
Yeah. It's relaxing.
Are we actually doing this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that looks like a raccoon.
And the trees.
And that looks like balaclava.
Yeah. I don't need this anymore.
I give her the basket, she just went with it. That's kind of strange, but I think I kind of like it. Let's see what happens here. A ver qué pasa.
They try to relax everything, but they don't feel anything. I got this for you. I wasn't sure if I should.
Thank you.
He's trying to fit in. It's cute. Oh my god, look at you!
trying to...
Yes.
She switched fast, like really fast. I don't know what version I'm getting. Can I get a kiss? Okay.
You don't understand anything.
I thought that was going somewhere else. I was wrong. I think actually making these videos is kind of sexist. Maybe she's right, I should stop. Maybe?
No, he won't.